Ah, the giant panda. An animal that needs little introduction, instantly recognizable with its striking black and white coat. These markings, so distinctive, have captivated humans for centuries. But there's much more to these creatures than their charming appearance. Join me, dear viewer, as we delve into the fascinating world of the giant panda. From their rotund bodies to their lumbering gait, pandas are truly unique. Their black patches around their eyes, like oversized sunglasses, aren't just for show. They help reduce glare while foraging for food. And while their waddle may appear comical, it's perfectly suited to navigating their mountainous terrain. But what exactly is a panda? The giant panda is a bear native to south-central China. Despite being classified as a carnivore, pandas have a diet that is overwhelmingly herbivorous, composed almost entirely of bamboo. Their digestive systems, however, are more akin to those of other bears, requiring them to consume vast quantities of bamboo to meet their nutritional needs. Pandas are solitary creatures by nature, each maintaining a territory that they mark with scent glands located under their tails. They communicate with each other through vocalizations and scent markings, sharing information about their reproductive status and territory boundaries. These creatures are also known for their incredible strength and agility, despite their seemingly cumbersome appearance. Their powerful jaws and strong molars are perfect for crushing bamboo stalks, while their pseudo-thumbs, an extension of the wrist bone, help them grip and manipulate their food with surprising dexterity. High in the mountains of central China, shrouded in mist and ancient forests, lies the kingdom of the giant panda. Here, amongst the towering conifers and dense bamboo undergrowth, these enigmatic creatures make their home. Imagine, if you will, a landscape painted in shades of emerald and jade, a symphony of rustling leaves and trickling streams. This is the world of the panda, a world of serenity and beauty. The climate here is cool and damp, perfect for the growth of their beloved bamboo, the lifeblood of the panda population. Now you might be surprised to learn that the panda, a member of the bear family, subsists almost entirely on bamboo. This rather fibrous plant makes up over 99% of their diet. To meet their energy needs, a panda can consume a staggering 85 pounds of bamboo each day. Watching a panda eat is an experience in itself. They grasp the bamboo stalks with remarkable dexterity, using their specially adapted pseudo-thumbs, an extension of their wrist bones, to strip the leaves with impressive speed. Despite their solitary nature, pandas are not without their playful side. When not busy consuming their weight in bamboo, they can be observed frolicking in the undergrowth, rolling down slopes, and even enjoying a spot of tree climbing. Communication is key in the panda world, and they employ a variety of vocalizations to convey their moods. From chirps and honks to bleats and barks, the panda's repertoire of sounds is as diverse as it is endearing. They also rely heavily on scent marking, using glands to deposit their unique aroma on trees and rocks, signaling their presence to other pandas in the area. Breeding season for pandas is a time of great anticipation. Females are only fertile for a very short window each year, lasting just 2 to 3 days. During this time, the air is filled with the calls of hopeful males, eager to attract a mate. If successful, a mother panda will give birth to 1, occasionally 2 tiny cubs. These miniature miracles, weighing a mere 90 to 130 grams at birth, are utterly dependent on their mothers for warmth, nourishment, and protection. The bond between mother and cub is incredibly strong, and she will fiercely defend her offspring from any perceived threat. Sadly, the future of these gentle giants hangs in the balance. Habitat loss due to human encroachment and deforestation has pushed panda populations to the brink. Today, fewer than 1,900 pandas remain in the wild, their very existence threatened by the actions of humankind. The situation is dire, but not without hope. Conservation efforts spearheaded by dedicated individuals and organizations around the world are making a real difference. Through a combination of habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and breeding programs, we are slowly but surely turning the tide for the panda. Now, who can resist a few fun facts about these charismatic creatures? Pandas are not just adorable, they are full of surprises that make them even more fascinating. Did you know that despite their size, pandas are surprisingly agile climbers? They can climb trees with ease, using their strong limbs and sharp claws to grip the bark. This ability helps them escape predators and find food, or that their digestive systems are better suited to digesting meat than bamboo. Yes, pandas are technically carnivores, but they have adapted to a diet that is 99% bamboo. Their digestive system struggles to extract nutrients from bamboo, which is why they have to eat so much of it. It seems evolution has played a rather curious trick on these bamboo-loving bears. Despite their carnivorous digestive system, they have evolved to rely almost entirely on bamboo, which is low in nutrients and requires them to consume large quantities to meet their energy needs. And here's another tidbit to tickle your fancy. A panda can produce over 60 pounds of droppings in a single day. This is because they eat so much bamboo, and their bodies process it quickly, resulting in a lot of waste. That's a lot of bamboo going in one end and out the other. Their constant eating and digesting keep them busy throughout the day, and they spend up to 14 hours a day eating. Their digestive system may not be the most efficient, but it certainly keeps them regular. After all that eating, pandas need to rest and conserve energy, which is why you often see them lounging around and taking naps. Panda cubs are also a delight to watch. They are playful and curious, often seen tumbling around and exploring their surroundings. These young pandas learn essential survival skills through play, which helps them grow into strong and capable adults. The bond between a panda mother and her cub is incredibly strong. Mothers are very protective and nurturing, ensuring their cubs are safe and well fed. This close relationship is crucial for the cub's development and survival in the wild. Conservation efforts have been vital in protecting these magnificent creatures. With the help of dedicated conservationists and researchers, panda populations have been slowly increasing. These efforts include habitat preservation, breeding programs, and public awareness campaigns. So the next time you see a panda, remember all these fascinating facts and the incredible journey they have been on. From their unique diet to their playful nature, pandas truly are one of nature's most remarkable animals. The story of the panda is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance of nature. These gentle giants, with their distinctive black and white fur, have become symbols of conservation efforts worldwide. Their survival is intricately linked to the health of their habitat, the bamboo forests of China. Without these forests, pandas would struggle to find the food they need to survive. It highlights the devastating impact human actions can have on our planet's biodiversity. Deforestation, driven by logging and agricultural expansion, has led to the loss of vast tracts of panda habitat. Pollution further degrades these environments, making it even harder for pandas and other wildlife to thrive. The consequences of these actions are far-reaching, affecting not just pandas but countless other species that share their habitat. But it also offers a glimmer of hope, demonstrating that with concerted effort, we can reverse the trend and protect even the most vulnerable species. Conservationists have been working tirelessly to restore panda habitats by planting bamboo and other native vegetation. These efforts have been complemented by breeding programs that aim to increase panda populations and reintroduce them into the wild. The success of these programs shows that when we come together, we can make a significant difference. The future of the panda rests not just in the hands of scientists and conservationists, but in ours as well. By supporting responsible tourism, we can ensure that our visits to panda habitats and sanctuaries do not harm these precious creatures. Responsible tourism also provides much-needed funding for conservation projects, helping to sustain efforts to protect pandas and their habitats. Making sustainable choices in our daily lives, such as recycling and choosing eco-friendly products, can also have a positive impact. These small actions, when multiplied across millions of people, can lead to significant environmental benefits. Reducing our carbon footprint and minimizing waste helps to preserve the natural habitats that pandas and other wildlife depend on. Raising awareness about the plight of endangered species is another crucial step. Education programs in schools and communities can inspire the next generation to take action. By learning about the challenges faced by pandas and other endangered animals, people are more likely to support conservation efforts and advocate for policies that protect wildlife. We can all play a part in ensuring these magnificent creatures have a future. Whether through direct action such as volunteering for conservation projects, or by making more sustainable choices in our everyday lives, every effort counts. Together, we can create a world where pandas and other endangered species can thrive for generations to come. So, the next time you see a picture of a panda, remember that behind that adorable face lies a story of resilience, a tale of survival that has spanned millions of years. These gentle giants have faced numerous challenges, from habitat loss to climate change, and yet they continue to thrive, thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists and the support of people like you. Their struggle for survival against the odds is a testament to their strength and adaptability. Pandas are not just symbols of wildlife conservation, they are living proof that with determination and support, even the most vulnerable species can make a comeback. Let their story inspire you to learn more, to do more, and to become an active participant in the fight to protect our planet's biodiversity. Visiting a panda sanctuary, supporting conservation programs, or simply spreading awareness about the plight of pandas can make a significant difference. To be a voice for the voiceless means advocating for those who cannot speak for themselves. It means standing up for the pandas and other endangered species, ensuring that their habitats are preserved and that they have a future in the wild. Together, we can make a difference. By supporting reforestation efforts, reducing our carbon footprint, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help create a world where pandas and other wildlife can thrive. Together we can ensure that the bamboo forests of China continue to echo with the sounds of pandas for generations to come. Imagine a world where panda cubs play freely in lush bamboo groves, where their playful antics bring joy to all who witness them. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the giant panda. Your interest and support are crucial in the ongoing efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep caring for our planet and all its inhabitants. Every small action counts, and together, we can create a brighter future for all. Remember, the fate of the pandas and countless other species lies in our hands. Let's make sure we leave a legacy of conservation and compassion for future generations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.